welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Andy and welcome to Andy's Candy. As you can see by the title down below, today's video is going to be an Amazon makeup haul, and this video is dedicated for those who are beginner freelance makeup artists or makeup artists on a budget, persons who just love makeup on the whole and who would like good products for a good deal. This video would also be great for those who would want to be shopping for that special makeup artist or makeup lover in their life. They're very cost efficient and they're also great products. Some of the stuff I have are things that I just got to replenish my makeup kit, like stuff that I already had, and some of them are new products, so they're going to be new to me and you, but they had really great reviews, and I'm just going to explain to you like what the product is for and why you would need it in your makeup kit. Before we get into the video, I just want to say excuse the lighting. I'm just filming with natural lighting. I just have my windows open up. I plan to do this video, I plan to start recording this video early in the morning, so I was gonna set up my lights and stuff, but my bed and my body had other plans. I didn't end up getting up until like 7. The sun was already up, so I said we might as well just use the natural lighting. I tried to angle it this way so that it don't be too much of a glare. Let's just get into the makeup haul. So I have this box here. Yeah, let's just dive into this. Okay, so first here I have with me these NYX Tame and Frame brow pomade, and so I got 4 different pomades. I thought I got 5, but so I got them in the shade brunette, chocolate, espresso, and black. So it says here that it's a tinted brow pomade and they're waterproof. Now I've had this before about a year ago or so, and I had it in black and I loved it. I think these go for about $5, which isn't bad. The thing about these is you can have them for about 6 to 8 months, but then they start to get a bit dry. But that first 6 to 8 months, they're great. I feel like they're quicker than using the eyebrow pencil, but after mine's dried out, I just went back to eyebrow pencils because I don't know where to find these on the island. And a brow pencil is much more affordable because they cost like 50 cents, $1, $2 the most. So I just, went back to brow pencil. But when I was doing my shopping, I saw these on Amazon. I remembered that I really love these, and I feel like they would help me move quicker, especially when working with clients. And my biggest goal in doing makeup is, trying to find a way to be as quick as possible while still doing like that full glam look. Also with this, I feel like the black is pretty universal. Like you could use it on persons who are dark skinned with dark brows, dark skin with light brows, light skin with dark brows, light skins with light brows, because it all depends on how much product you use, how heavy of a hand you use. So if you have a person with light brows, you can just use it lightly and it would just tint their brows and it wouldn't be like too dark, too blocky, too chunky, you know what I mean? But also a great tip that I use for myself, when I purchase products, I tend to get the darkest shade and then one of the lightest shade, and then that way I can blend it for persons who aren't too dark and who aren't too bright, and then that way I can be able to accommodate all skin shades, because I'll have the darkest for the dark people, the light for the light, and for those in between you can just blend it. You can do ombre and stuff like that. So I do that for foundation, concealer. You don't have to break the bank in order to be a makeup artist, in order to do your own makeup and achieve different looks. You just have to know how to work your products. Okay, so next up I have these I have the NYX the brow glue, and it says it's an instant brow styler. Now these 2 products I've never used. I usually use the NYX clear brow gel, but that wasn't available, so I'm trying these ones. This one is a Wet n Wild brow obsessive brow shaping gel, and because these are new products, of course I'm gonna want to try them. Okay, so I just want to try this right quick. I just want to see if it feels the same as the NYX gel, and then I'll let you know for sure if I'm gonna recommend it. Ooh. They're decent. I actually feel like I like the Wet n Wild one more. I just feel like it was laying my brows down more. I like both, but something about the NYX, I feel like it might be a bit too thick. Brow gels are definitely not necessary for like everyday casual makeup because you're only going to be wearing it for a couple hours and then wash it off anyway. But I feel like brow gels are very essential for like all day wear. Like if you want to make sure that your makeup is gonna last all day, and if you're positive you're gonna sweat or if you're gonna get wet or something, brow gels basically seal your eyebrows in place. So whether you use a pomade or a pencil, once you go over with brow gel, it makes it harder for your eyebrows to rub off. So it's a necessity in a way, but not absolutely, if that makes sense. Okay, so up next we have the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials. That's what it says. Yeah, so this is the Real Technique Everyday Essentials. I didn't even know it named that, but I have one of these in my kit already, but I got another one because I feel like you can never have too many brushes, especially as a makeup artist. Sometimes you can have, you know, 3, 4, 5 clients in a day and not enough time in between to wash your brushes. So it's good to have like different sets of brushes so that, you know, you can use them and then at the end of the day clean them for your other clients the following day. I love this particular set because it has basically everything I need. It has 2 sponges to blend out concealer, to blend out foundation, to apply powder, especially when baking. And then you can also use the sponge. Sometimes I spray my setting spray in the sponge and then I dab it all over my face just to make sure the makeup look is blended and melted into my skin. It has the 300 brush, the small brush here. It's called the Deluxe Crease Brush. And I use it for concealer. I use it to blend out my eyebrow concealer, my under eye concealer, my whole face. Like I could blend out all my highlights with this little brush. It blends beautifully. And then I also set my concealer on my eyelid with powder with this brush, and it can also be used for eyeshadow, especially like in your crease. So they have here, it's good to build concealer, layer and blend cream or powder shadows, and it has short dense bristles. I don't know why I started with this brush. I think because it's my favorite color, which is purple, and it's my favorite brush. But here we have Real Techniques 400 blush, and it's tapered, soft with fluffy bristles, and it's used to blend powder blush, and it gives a smooth and natural look. You don't have to dig in any product you use, you just tap it. And something about these like microfiber brushes, like it just is, pick up the product like magnet, and then it just is like put it on your face like butter. I don't even exaggerate. Y'all see me use this brush before, so y'all see what it is too. And then over here we have the 402 setting brush. It says soft and fluffy bristles, dust on highlighting or setting powder for a natural looking illumination. And that's exactly what I use it for. Sometimes I use it to put powder underneath my eye or to put powder on my eyelid, and then sometimes I use it for my highlighter on the high points of my cheekbone. And then last but not least, we have the 200 Expert Face Brush. Use it for concealer, use it for foundation. Real Technique says that it has firm bristles, it buffs liquid or cream foundation for a glowing, flawless finish. So yeah, if you're just starting out in makeup, the Real Techniques Everyday Essentials set is perfect for you. So next we have the Real Techniques Cheek Mini Multitask Brush. I can be honest with you, I didn't know this brush was I didn't know it was this small. I just wanted a extra powder brush, and so this is a mini multitask brush. I promise you I don't remember saying the word mini. And it's for blush and bronzer, but on the back it says that it's for powder, blush, bronzer, or setting powder. So you can use this for all of your powder needs basically. I think I'm gonna mainly use it for all over the face powder. I needed an extra powder brush in my kit, so that's why I got this. I think this was about $5 or something like that. Okay, so next up is my favorite part of the whole Amazon haul, and it's the lashes. I got quite a bit of lashes, not too much, but I got different types of lashes. So these are all the lashes I got. I'm gonna go through them one by one. I got these Felicia lashes in the style Dubai. I had these in my kit before and I had to get them again because some of my clients was asking me, they was like, Andy, what happened to the lashes you put on me the last time? Like, I really didn't like them. I think it comes with like 7 pairs. This is what they look like, and there's a perfect blend of like dramatic but natural, so I think that's why a lot of people gravitate to them, because they're very wearable and they're also pretty cute. And then I got these lashes by HBZ whatever. I can include all the links in the description down below, so y'all can just click on them and go directly to them if I ain't pronouncing them properly, or if you type them in and you can't find them. Yeah, so I just put the link for you to make it easier. These are in the style MDF12. Amazon had quite a bit of these, MDF 13, 9, 10, all kind of different kinds. But I really liked how these look. They are very dramatic, very flare. It says, new fashion thick, beautiful life begins with beautiful eyelashes. It also says glam, volume, sexy eyelash, and it's 3D lashes. So I think these are supposed to be like faux mink or something like that. I don't know what millimeters or whatever they are, but I just know I really like them and I can't wait to try them. Let me show y'all how it looks outside of the box. So I got 6 pairs, and this is what they look like. They're very fluffy, very soft, and I just love them. It's great to get a variety of lashes to suit different eye types, different client styles, different occasions and stuff like that. And with that being said, this is the last box of lashes that I got. It's by Landflower, and I believe it's like 30 lashes in this box, 10 different styles, and it's 3 pairs of each. Like, it varied from natural to dramatic to, you know, like in between. And then of course you can't have lashes without lash glue. I usually buy lash glue from the beauty supply stores over here, but I always see a lot of YouTubers talking about the Kiss lash adhesive, and so since I was already ordering, I think these was like probably 2 something as well. I was like, let me just try. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, so these just the Kiss lash adhesive. It's latex free, super strong hold, waterproof, and it has aloe, which, you know, makes it sound, you know, just extra good. It also says it's the #1 selling glue. And then another thing that I like about it is it's brush on instead of pouring the lash glue, because sometimes you can get a little bit too heavy handed and then the glue could get on the actual hair of the lashes and then they stick together and it's clumpy and it's not cute. So I like that it has a brush, you know, so we can be more controlled. And so last but not least, I have this container which contains disposable applicators and clips. It's 283 pieces. These are gonna be your best friend, especially now since COVID. These are great to avoid cross-contamination. It has mascara wands, which you can also use as a spoolie for eyebrows. It has the disposable eyeliner applicator, lip applicators, and then the hair clips, you know, just to clip the hair out of the way. If the client doesn't have a bonnet on or a hair tie on, you could just clip the hair out of the way. Very essential. I think this would be a great gift because it comes in the plastic container thing, so you don't have to lose. Anyways, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup haul. I hope that you guys wrote down tips for those of you who are looking to build your makeup kit, those of you who are looking to purchase gifts for that favorite makeup artist in your life, or those of you who just, you know, like makeup. I just hope y'all write down tips. If not, this video is always going to be here for you to look back on, which is the beauty of YouTube and creating these videos and, you know, putting them out there. Thank you all so much for spending time with me today and watching this video. I hope it was very beneficial to you, and if so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If y'all like these kind of videos, makeup hauls and stuff like that, you know, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll definitely do more for you if you like these kind of videos. If not, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. Interact with me, man. Let me know so I can provide what you need. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Much love to y'all. Bye.